Muskie, bass, carp, crappie, golly, who knows? But we're gonna find out up next on Punchline Sinker.
Punchline and Skanker are back at
Skok
Meadow.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and get Sharon a pinfish today.
Yeah.
On a channel cat.
Or a bass.
Or a bass, yeah, I'm in for the bass. Bass, I think we're looking for 18 inches for a largemouth. And the channel cat is 26 inches or bigger. Really? Nothing.
We can check that out too. Again, I did a screenshot on that. So I've got all the fish for the tributary.
Yeah, I have that screenshot as well. So yeah, we're gonna be using lime jello chicken and strawberry jello shrimp for the cats. And we're gonna be floating those guys on some slip bobbers. Yep. Sweet, man. Quick while I'm walking down here, I mean, you guys can see where we're going. On most of my rods, I'm running 30-pound braid to a 30-pound mono leader with a size 4 J hook. I'm also running that with a slip bobber float so I can adjust my depth when we get over here and hopefully float these strawberry shrimps right in front of some big old catfish. I really want to get Sharon on some big fish. She's never really caught anything real big. And we're almost in here now, so we'll get set up and jump back over. Yo, Punchline and Sinker and SCUMDOG Fishing back at it. Skok, round 2.
Get some kitty cats. Get Sharon a pin for Ohio pin.
Yes,
fish.
sir.
Last time was the strawberry jello chicken, and it smelled like something we're not going to discuss right at the moment. That was nasty.
Yeah. So what are you using today, cuz?
Just the lime jello chicken and some slip rigs and big octopus hook or a circle hook, one or the other.
Yeah, I'm using a size 4 J hook with a 30-pound leader and 30-pound braid with
that should work perfect.
Slip bobber. So let's get after it.
Hell yeah.
Look professional. Whoa!
Oh,
what's up, guys? Punchline and Sinker.
We got Cousin Pete here. And we're back here for some kitty cats.
It's breakfast time.
We're gonna get after her.
All you can eat buffet.
Yes.
All you can eat jello buffet.
All you can eat jello buffet. We've got jello shrimp there, strawberry jello shrimp, and I've got lime jello chicken here in the bucket somewhere in the mix of all my BS. So.
Shrimp soup, shrimp salad, shrimp and potatoes. That's about it.
Gentlemen, prepare yourselves
For Sleigh Fest 2021.
Bring him in.
Let's go, dude. Hey, buddy.
Mama got a bass on that little spinner. Mama put it right in front of his face, and he took it. Ooh, man, you almost lost him too.
Barely on.
You have those pliers or no?
Yeah.
I'm just scared of this little tiny hook.
Oh, we lamb.
You can't get a hole on it, and then like it's gonna end up in my finger. There, he's out. Mama, do you want to hold him or no? Ooh, all right. I'm gonna let him go. Bye. Good job, Mama.
Got him.
He's not. He's
Net?
no, not. He's rowdy, but He's not net.
Oh, he might be a pin, but you already got your pin for him.
What's your pull? Oh, golly. Oh, he's a big guy.
I turned around and damn thing was
What's
gone.
up?
Now he wouldn't make 26, but oh, what'd you say? Oh,
All right, well, on to the next one. Missed it. Up. There's pressure on the line. Yep.
Figures as soon as I...
Always try and pull the opposite direction slowly. Decent fish. It's alright, let him wear it out. Let him pull it, just keep tension on it because he'll spit it.
the net's down there. You want me to grab it? I think he's gonna make it too.
Anyway.
He swallowed it good too. Let's rotate, yep. Let's go right over here like we did for Cuzzy. Cuzzy, you got that thing just in case? I'm gonna need your pliers too. Oh, he's pissed.
Pissed? Well, obviously.
I got him clipped. Can I pull the net?
Yep.
Would you call that 26 inches? Let's measure it, dude. Pull him up. No, not quite, baby.
How much?
22 inches.
22.
But it's a big one.
Thank you for the fish blood. You're going the wrong way, guy.
There he goes. Boy.
Yeah, I don't think he's injured all that bad.
No, he's fine, man. He's good. Good fish, baby.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, sweet. Always when you're doing something else.
I
Looking
know.
professional.
Yes.
Give me another pound. Good job, bro. Ah, like it was gone.
I was like,
Lost, it was gone. Like up underneath the trees, and then it must have spit it. Barely lipped him, look.
Yeah.
Finally!
Ripping lips.
Sorry, little guy.
Yeah, you're all right.
Oh! Man, what's with the releases today? Bad releases. Get in.
Oh, man.
Turned around wrong way again. What's going on?
I'm just gonna hang for a moment.
There he goes.
yawn.
Dang, man. As soon as I got it over there. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try to give you a bigger one. Top water. Fish on.
I don't know how big it is.
That's that stick that got me last time. Oh. I was wrapped around this pole right here, man. No, he broke off because of this pole. It's a
Don't worry about that. That's good.
It's a catfish.
I don't know.
Right in his mouth.
I don't know if it's gonna be
Yeah, that's a little small, but still.
the size that we're looking for. But
Holy moly.
go ahead and back straight up. Come here, buddy. He's talking.
Yeah, baby. Killing it.
You wanna hold him?
No, I'm good.
You want to kiss him?
You want
No.
a good shot with him? Here.
No. I think he likes me.
Good job, babe. Let's get him in the water. A smooth release, maybe. We haven't had one yet.
We got the smooth release right now.
Bye. Yeah?
Just might.
Oh, didn't land him. Well, that's it on this episode of Scumdog and Punchline.
Punchline.
Punchline and Scumdog.
Scumdog and Punchline. Punchline and Scumdog. Yeah, it's a good time. Skok.
The Jello. Right on, man. It's alive. Scumdog fishing, punchline and sinker, Skok. Sharon caught 2 catfish, a bass.
Yeah, and then had one spit the hook and damn near pierced her nose with it.
Oh my, yeah. It came flying out of there, didn't it? I caught 1 little bass. Cuzzy, what'd you do?
I caught the 1 catfish.
Yeah. Well, we came out, we did it.
Yeah, I got a couple hook sets, but Sharon did the landing.
Yeah, good job, baby. Till next time, look professional.
Yep, and as like I always say, give them the medal.
Whee! Oh my god, whee! Thought she was gonna stop over here once. I think she split. Got nibbed off already? Not something. Oh, something just hit it.